Bonjour et bienvenue sur French Lover. Hello and welcome to French Lover. J'espère que vous allez bien. Hope you're good. Aujourd'hui, on va faire un autre verbe. Today we are going to do another verb. That's the verb devoir. I told you there's a list of verbs that are mostly used in French, okay? Like the commonly used verbs, and I told you they're mostly third group verbs. I've done the verb faire, so you can go and check the video in the present, past, and future. So now I'm going to do the verb devoir. That's the verb to have to. Okay, it's different from the verb avoir. That's to have. I have something. But the verb devoir is to have to, like to have to do something, or you need to do something, okay? They need to or to have to. That's devoir. Synonymous to the verb falloir. Okay, when you see il faut que je, I have to, I need to. So devoir, the verb to have to. Okay, in the present tense, je dois, I have to. Tu dois, you have to. Il doit, he has to. Elle doit, she has to, or she needs to. Nous devons, we have to. Vous devez, you have to. Elles doivent, they have to. Doivent, don't pronounce the NT. Okay, remember I told you that. Elles doivent, they have to. Okay, that's present tense. Je dois, tu dois, il doit, elle doit, nous devons, vous devez, ils doivent, elles doivent. Okay, so that for the... Now let's go to the future tense. Let's do future simple. Future simple, okay. Je devrais, I will have to. Tu devras, you will have to. Il devra, he will have to. Elle devra, she will have to. Nous devrons, we will have to. Vous devrez, you will have to. Elles devront, they will have to, or they will need to. Je devrais, tu devras, il devra, elle devra, nous devrons, vous devrez, ils ou elles devront. Okay, so now let's do it in the past tense. Passé, let's do imparfait first. Imparfait. Okay, je devais, okay. Je devais in imperfect that will be I was to. Okay, I was to. Je devais, I was to. Or I was having need to. Okay, something like that. I was to. Okay, so it will be something like I was to talk to your mom when your dad called me. Okay, so je devais parler à ta mère lorsque ton père m'appelait. So it's something like I was to. Okay, tu devais, you were to. You were to. Okay, il devait, he was to. Elle devait, she was to. Okay, nous devions, we were to. We were to. Okay, vous deviez, you were to. You were to. Il, elle devait. Okay, they were to. Okay, remember the verb is to have to. Okay, they were to. So, which is different with passé composé now? Passé composé, j'ai dû will be I had to. Okay, so you can see the difference. Imperfect is we were to. Okay, passé composé is I had to. I had to. Okay, j'ai dû, I had to. Okay, or I needed to. Tu as dû, you had to. Il a dû, he had to. Elle a dû, she had to. Nous avons dû, we had to, we had to. Vous avez dû, you had to, okay, or you needed to. Ils, elles ont dû, they had to. Ils, elles ont dû, they had to. Okay, I'm going to do a video on passé composé. I've not yet done that. How it's made, okay, how it changes. But I've done on imparfait, so you can go check that one out. Okay, so j'ai dû, tu as dû, il a dû, elle a dû, nous avons dû, vous avez dû, ils ont dû, elles ont dû. If you notice this an accent on the U, that's to differentiate it from the partitive dû, that's du. Okay, so plus que parfait. Plus que parfait. Okay, j'avais dû. J'avais dû now will be I had to. I know, complication, but it's okay. I had to. Remember, plus que parfait, an action in the past. That's an action in the past that's been completed in the past. That's the past in the past. Well, anyways, I'll do a video on that so you know. J'avais dû, I had to. Okay. Tu avais dû, you had to. Il avait dû, he had to. Elle avait dû, she had to. Nous avions dû, we had to. Vous aviez dû, you had to. Il avait dû, elle avait dû. They had to. Okay, they had needed to. If you remember, it's to have to or to need to. Okay, so j'avais dû, tu avais dû, il avait dû, elle avait dû, nous avions dû, vous aviez dû, il, elle avait dû. Okay, so that's the conjugation of devoir. The verb to have to, different from avoir, okay? Avoir is to have. Devoir, the verb to have to or the need to, okay? It's synonymous with falloir, okay? When you say il faut, you can replace it with devoir. Okay, so let's do some sentences with devoir in different tenses. Je dois partir à l'école. Je dois partir à l'école. I have to go to school or I need to go to school. That's for present tense. Je devais partir à l'école. Je devrais partir à l'école. Je devrais partir à l'école. I will have to go to school or I will need to go to school. Je devrais partir à l'école. Je devais, okay? Je devais partir à l'école. I was to go to school. So, note the different pronunciation. In future simple, that's future tense, you say devrait with an R. Excuse, devrait with an R. Why imparfait doesn't have an R? Letter R is devait. Je devais. I was to go to school. Je devais aller à l'école. Okay. Passé composé, j'ai dû aller à l'école. J'ai dû aller à l'école. I had to go to school. J'ai dû aller à l'école. I had to go to school. Then, plus que parfait will be j'avais dû aller à l'école. I had to go to school. Or I had needed to go to school. Okay? I had to go to school or I had needed to go to school. Remember, devoir is a verb to have to
or to need to. Okay, so present tense, je devais aller à l'école. Je devrais aller à l'école, futur simple. Je devais aller à l'école, imparfait. J'ai dû aller à l'école, passé composé. J'avais dû aller à l'école, plus que parfait. So those are how you can use devoir.
So do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Also share in case other people need it too. Okay, as well I offer online classes on WhatsApp. So if you need it, my number will be on the screen. You can contact me. Au revoir et bonne journée. Goodbye. Have a nice day.